And every miracle began with obedience. Naniniwala ko ba naman? So yung mga tao sa Bible, their obedience came first. So muna sila kahit hindi nila alam bakit pinapagawa ng Diyos to. Kahit hindi nila maintindihan. And then God worked in a powerful way sa buhay nila. We may not understand now, but you will realize and say, God, I saw what you did there. Kaya Lord, alam ko na bakit naranasan ko yun. I don't know if may na-experience na po tayo ng mga plot twist ng Diyos. I know madami na dito rin. Because even me, dami beses na po naranasan ng mga plot twist ng Diyos. And when you realize, mapapasabi ko, thank you Lord, naranasan ko yun. Thank you Lord, bumahan ako doon. And sometimes, our pain will lead us to God's greater purpose. Diba? Kapag umilos kasi ang Diyos, minsan hindi mo maintindihan sa una eh. But after some time, you will then realize and understand na ginawa ng Diyos ang alam niyang nakakabuti sa atin. Kaya pala Lord, yun pala yan Lord. Kaya pala Lord, inalis mo ako doon dahil ito yung plano mo sa akin. Maybe ngayon or for some weeks or years na, God is asking you, magpalawag ka na. Diba? Let go of that pain na dinadala mo sa puso mo. Let go of that bitterness na every time na naiisip mo yung taong yun, nagagalit ka pa rin, naiinis ka pa rin. Maybe He is asking you to restore a relationship. Magipag-ayos ka na, tama na yung pride. It's time magpakumbaba ka na. Maybe He's asking you to share this word. Live a sinful habit. Diba, ilang years ang kinakondit sa'yo ng Panginoon yan. Tama na, huwag mo lang balikan. Or maybe certain things. And the question po is, will we obey? Delayed obedience is still disobedience. Again, delayed obedience is still disobedience. Many people don't say no to the Lord, but they simply say, not now, Lord. Not now. Lord, hindi ko hindi pangin, Lord. Siguro next time na, Lord, dahil lumaki pa mo, Lord, masabi ko ng brother, masabi ko ng sister, Lord, what if mag-fail ako? But what